In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a OneNote notebook. Renaming a notebook stored in OneDrive helps you stay organized and ensures that your notebooks are easily identifiable across all your devices. To begin, open your web browser and go to onedrive.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account where your OneNote notebook is stored. Once logged in, navigate to the location where your notebook is saved. OneDrive stores all your OneNote notebooks in a dedicated folder, so look for the notebook you want to rename. Next, right-click on the notebook file or click the three-dot menu beside it to access additional options. From the menu that appears, select Rename. The current notebook name will become editable, allowing you to type in a new name that better reflects its content. Choose a clear and descriptive name, such as Project Notes or Personal Journal, to make it easier to locate later. After typing the new name, press Enter or click Away to save the changes. OneDrive will update the notebook name across the cloud, and these changes will automatically sync with all devices where your OneNote account is connected. This ensures that your notebook has a consistent name whether you access it from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you have OneNote open while renaming the notebook in OneDrive, it may take a few moments for the changes to appear in the application. You can refresh your notebooks list in OneNote or restart the app to see the updated name. Renaming notebooks in OneDrive is particularly useful if you manage multiple projects or share notebooks with colleagues, as it prevents confusion and keeps your digital workspace organized. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a OneNote notebook, making it easier to identify and manage across all your devices. This simple step can greatly improve your productivity and organization, especially if you work with multiple notebooks regularly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.